Next up, we're moving on to linear guides and guiding technology. As you can see right here, these are curved guide systems, allowing us to smoothly change direction without experiencing any loss of preload whatsoever. As you can see, the movement is very smooth, and they are not limited by their footprint. You have the flexibility to combine curved radii with straight sections. This capability significantly streamlines your design solution, enabling you to integrate multiple functions within a more confined space. The technology is very simple. These rollers are equipped with a spring preload mechanism, which ensures that we don't lose any performance. These curved guide systems are also an important addition and provide excellent solutions for you in situations where you need to combine complicated movements. Here too, norelem linear technology provides the right solution.